Theta value equivalent to 16.5713 rands a coin. The present cost range 16.1072 to 17.0004. The earlier day close 16.4597. The change was plus 0.1116, plus 0.68%. Backwards rate ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost 15.73 rands, high 16.83, low 14.63. Theta conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost 15.90 rands, high 17.01, low 14.79. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 15.73 rands, high 16.83, low 14.63. Theta conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost 16.05 rands, high 17.17, low 14.93. In multi-week Theta cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost 16.71 rands, high 17.88, low 15.54. Theta conjecture on Friday, June 9, cost 16.73 rands, high 17.90, low 15.56. Theta cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost 16.67 rands, high 17.84, low 15.50. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, June 13, cost 16.00 rands, high 17.12, low 14.88. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost 16.37 rands, high 17.52, low 15.22. In about 14 days Theta conjecture on Thursday, June 15, cost 16.50 rands, high 17.66, low 15.35. Theta cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost 15.93 rands, high 17.05, low 14.81. Theta gauge on Monday, June 19, cost 15.54 rands, high 16.63, low 14.45. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost 15.31 rands, high 16.38, low 14.24. Theta gauge on Wednesday, June 21, cost 15.15 rands, high 16.21, low 14.09. In 3 weeks Theta cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost 15.77 rands, high 16.87, low 14.67. Theta gauge on Friday, June 23, cost 15.96 rands, high 17.08, low 14.84. Theta cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost 16.51 rands, high 17.67, low 15.35. Theta gauge on Tuesday, June 27, cost 16.19 rands, high 17.32, low 15.06. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, June 28, cost 16.18 rands, high 17.31, low 15.05. In about a month Theta estimate on Thursday, June 29, cost 16.57 rands, high 17.73, low 15.41. Theta cost forecast on Friday, June 30, cost 15.87 rands, high 16.98, low 14.76. Theta estimate on Monday, July 3, cost 16.34 rands, high 17.48, low 15.20. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 16.44 rands. Exorbitant cost 17.90, while low cost 14.09. They found the middle value of cost 16.08. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 15.87. Change for June 3.5%. Theta estimate for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 15.87 rands. Exorbitant cost 17.67, while low cost 14.25. They found the middle value of cost 15.78. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 15.32. Change for July 3.5%. Theta cost expectation for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 15.32 rands. Exorbitant cost 15.32, while low cost 12.97. They found the middle value of cost 14.39. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 13.95. Change for August 8.9%. Theta gauge for September 2023. In the first place cost at 13.95 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.55, while low cost 12.65. They found the middle value of cost 13.69. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 13.60. Change for September 2.5. Theta cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place, cost at 13.60 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.60, while low cost 11.36. They found the middle value of cost 12.69. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 12.21. Change for October 10.2%. Theta gauge for November 2023. In the first place, cost at 12.21 rands. Exorbitant cost 15.05, while low cost 12.21. They found the middle value of cost 13.39. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 14.07. Change for November 15.2%. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place, cost at 14.07 rands. Exorbitant cost 17.46, while low cost 14.07. They found the middle value of cost 15.48. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 16.32. Change for December 16.0%. Theta gauge for January 2024. To start with, cost at 16.32 rands. Exorbitant cost 16.32, while low cost 12.75. They found the middle value of cost 14.78. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 13.71. Change for January 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. To start with, cost at 13.71 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.71, while low cost 10.71. They found the middle value of cost 12.41. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 11.52. Change for February 16.0%. Theta gauge for WAC 2024. To start with, cost at 11.52 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.50, while low cost 11.52. They found the middle value of cost 12.29. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 12.62. Change for spring 9.5%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. To start with, cost at 12.62 rands. Excessive cost 13.29, while low cost 11.55. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.47. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 12.42. Change for April 1.6%. Theta figure for May 2024. First and foremost, cost at 12.42 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.42, while low cost 10.30. They found the middle value of cost 11.56. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 11.08. Change for May 10.8%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at 11.08 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.52, while low cost 11.08. They found the middle value of cost 12.08. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 12.64. Change for June 14.1%. ZAR to Theta conversion scale equivalent to 0.0603 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.0588 minus 0.0621. The earlier days nearby 0.0608. Change for now 0.0005, 0.82%. Rand to Theta conjecture on Friday, June 2, cost